Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have some more project shares for Scrap Diva Designs for the July release. These products will all be listed in the description box down below, as well as my referral link. If you click on that and place an order, I get a commission, which doesn't affect your costs, but it does help me out. So thank you so much to everybody who uses that. I really appreciate it. Every time somebody uses that link, I get an email that it was used, so I truly thank you. And also don't forget my coupon code Strawberry Cream. You can use that at checkout at scrapdivadesigns.com to receive 10% off of your order. All right, so let's get started. The first item is one that I did make previously, but I made another version. This is the popcorn box. And there are so many cute examples at scrapdivadesigns.com. That's the website. Also, if you follow the hashtag Scrap Diva Designs on Instagram and YouTube, you will see other examples of this popcorn box from people who aren't designers, and they're just as beautiful. So this comes with all of these dies right here. So this is the main die, and I saw Erica has a tutorial on her channel, which I'm sure is listed at the on the product page of this die set as well. It's very easy to put together. This is the main piece. You cut this out 4 times to make the box, and it does come with the glue tabs there. And then it comes with the bottom piece too, which is right here. So that forms the bottom of the box. And then there are layering pieces. This one here cuts out like just a layering piece that has some scored lines. And then if you want to vary it a little bit, you can use this one that cuts out little hearts. And save those little hearts. You can use those for shaker mixes and embellishments after you die cut them. And then it comes with these really cute hearts, and this one, the solid one, cuts out the letters popcorn, which is so cute. And then this is the layering piece that has a scalloped edge. So really, really cute set. The last one I made, I used one of the straps from the purse strap bundle to make a strap. This one, I did not make a strap. I just wanted it to look more like an authentic popcorn box. So I showed it on Instagram. You might have seen it there, but this is it. So I'm just gonna try and tilt it a little bit. So isn't that adorable? That paper I had in my stash, and when I bought that from Joann's. It's an American Crafts paper. I don't know what line it's from, but it was one of like the thinner, scrapbook papers at Joann's, but I just loved it. It's got like a blue grid background and cute little popcorn boxes. So I thought this was a perfect project for it. I'm covering this so they don't spill. So you see the hearts on the front, and it says popcorn. You can either use the negative of the word popcorn like I did, or use the letters that actually pop out and put them on one of the hearts to spell out the word popcorn. But I wanted to use the negative, so I just re-glued in or picked the little like circle pieces from the O and the P's to put back in, so you'd be able to tell the letters a little bit more clearly. So I did that, and I popped that up on some foam tape, as you can see. And for the beads inside, I used a pack from Hobby Lobby. I got this on clearance a couple months ago. One of their bead packs was on clearance, and these are all the beads that were in there. And it was not enough to fill up the box, because this box is huge, but I did put in some yellow fabric inside, so it just kind of raise up the levels so I would be able to show the beads on the top. And then for the sides of the box, I used this other paper that I had in my stash, which is like a pale yellow with a darker yellow pattern on it with the circles. I thought that went well with the popcorn theme. And I don't know if you could see the scored lines, the vertical scored lines. That's from the die. So each side, like the 2 opposite sides, look the same, and then the back is that popcorn print as well. So let me measure this for you. Don't you love the scalloped top of this? Oh, I just love this box. It is so cute and big and fun. And you could use these as, popcorn boxes. I was thinking you could put like mini microwave popcorn bags in here, and maybe like a gift certificate for a movie or something. Wouldn't that be fun? So this is about 4.5 inches tall, and then it is about 3.5 inches wide. So that's the size of the box, and there's the bottom, as you can see. Why don't I take these beads out so we could turn it over. Hold on one second. Okay, I just put the beads in this bowl so you can see that's how many. It's not that much. There's a lot of space in this box. So I'm just gonna take out the fabric. Oh, there's a couple more beads. So you can see the inside. So that's how it comes together. Really easy. Just put the glue tabs together. I glue all of the different sides to the bottom of the box and then fold them up and then glue the sides. So the square at the bottom is it's about 2 and a little bit more than 2 3/4, maybe 2 7/8 square. So really nice and big. You can fit lots of stuff in here. I don't think a full-size microwave popcorn bag would fit in here. Maybe if you folded it a little bit, but definitely the minis would fit, and some more like movie night kind of things I think would be a cute gift in there, or just make a bunch for your movie night, that if you're having a party or something, or your kids are, and they can put their own popcorn in here, even make it for favors. Oh, it's just so cute. So lots of different ways you can use this, and I love that popcorn heart. It's just so cute. All right, so let's move on to the next project. I have to move my chair a little bit. All right, let's move on. And the next one I have to share with you is the bikini set. And I love these little bikinis. Some of them are layered, some are not. Like these solid ones here are not layered, but they have nice little embossed detailing you can see around the neckline and then around the waist of the bottom. So there's a smaller size and a bigger one. Let me take this out so you can see the whole thing. Okay. So these are all of the different dies that you get. There's a lot of dies here. It makes a big one and a small one of the one without the layering pieces, and then a big one and a small one with the layering pieces. And it comes with the cute little bows too. You can put them on the center of the top. You could put them on the hips. So I did that with, I think, most of them. Well, I did that with the layered ones. Let me show you. And I used a couple of older dies too in this project. I used this set here. This is the heart border rectangle, and I used the larger one to make a bag topper. I will link all of these down below, even the ones that aren't in this release. I also used the mini heart shaker sunglasses. I created a pair of sunglasses to put on the bag topper. I didn't make it a shaker. You don't have to. And I think that's it. The rest of those are for the next project. So let me show you what I made. So this is it. I made just like a little Happy Mail bag with a bag topper on it of die cuts of the bikini set. So I think they came out so cute. I used purples and like teal greens for these. And let me just open this up so you can see the bikinis fully. So I put all of these on this background paper with some removable dots, so whoever gets this can take them off and use them. So these are the two layered ones. So the back layer is scalloped, as you can see for both of them, and I used some shiny paper for the back of both of those. And then the top part just goes right on top of there, and then I used the different size bows. A larger one for the top, and then smaller ones for the sides. And then for this one, I used some enamel dots. This one I used some pink stickles on the centers of those bows. For the other ones that don't layer, see the stitching detail on the top and the waist? You could probably see it a little bit better on this teal one. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love this teal paper too. If you can see, it's a little bit textured. I got that at Dollar Tree. It was in a pack with a few other colors. This one I added a little gem in the center, and this one I added an enamel dot. So let me measure these for you. The bigger non-layered set is, let's see, it's about 1 7/8 top to bottom, and let's see, about 2 1/8 side to side. I'll just measure the tops. And then the smaller one of those is about 1.5 inches by 1 3/8. And then the bigger one with the scalloped edging is, let's see, that is about 2 and almost 2.5. Yeah, about 2.5. And then the top to bottom, it's almost 2 inches. And then the smaller one is 1 3/4 by 1 5/8. So aren't those so cute? So whoever gets these can take them off and put them on a summer card or embellishment or bag topper, you know, whatever you want to do. But I just thought that was a really nice way to present them. And I'm just loving these colors, the purple and the kind of like a lilac purple and the green together, I think look really nice. And then the bag topper I just made a simple bag topper with that rectangle, the heart border rectangle that I showed you that has that layering piece as well. So I added that. This word sunshine comes from a new paper collection that I got this year. Here is that mini heart shaker sunglasses that I did not make into a shaker. I just used some glitter paper for the background. Aren't those so cute? And then these are cabochons that I had, little strawberries, little purple strawberries. The top was like kind of yellow, which didn't go with my my paper choice here, so I just colored them with acrylic paint markers. So I love that use of acrylic paint markers, and I think it works really well. I think I did 2 coats, but you know, you just quickly just paint over it, and it's really nice and opaque. And then for the decorations here, I used some little clay flowers and then added diamond dots to the centers of those just to pop them up a little bit, add a little dimension. And this also comes off with removable pop dots, so whoever gets this can reuse the bag topper if they would like. So that's my next project, and I have one more for you today. That is using the charcuterie board add-on, which is new this month, and this one comes with 4 different dies to go with your charcuterie board set, which I will link that down below as well. That's an older set. That's this one right here. So these add-ons create a layering piece for the original charcuterie board. And if you wanted to, you can make these like a window on your project, because they do leave a stitch frame around it. So that's really a nice detail, I thought. So there's 4 different pieces. I used the largest one in this project. I also used some more older dies in this project. I used, oops, I put that one in the wrong place. I used the Branches and Ornament wreath set. And I love this because it cuts out different leaves or leaf branches, and then you can use the same one in like different directions. It comes with like this direction, and then it comes with one going the other way. And I like that the leaves are kind of like heart shaped. So those are really pretty. This bow goes with another set that I used, which is the bunny bows. And I didn't make a bunny bow, but I wanted a bow with the tails that went out side to side, and this one had one, so I used that. And then I also used one of the strawberry sentiments. I used the words "so berry sweet," which is right here in the shadow. It also comes with a strawberry. Let's see, I like you very much, fresh picked, you are very, very cute, and life is sweet. So again, those will all be listed down below with links. So I made a tag with that charcuterie board add-on, and this is how it came out. Isn't this pretty? It's nice and big. I like using the big one because it leaves you a lot of space to just, you know, add embellishments and stuff. And the ephemera collection and paper that I used is from the Not Too Shabby shop. I don't know if this is still available. I got this a while ago. This is so pretty. It comes with these pretty girls and different like strawberry cakes and pieces like that. So I don't know if that's still there. You'll have to check on Not Too Shabby shop. And I also use this paper from there, which is Pink Berry Blast. And I used some papers from this paper pad too, Berry Sweet from scrapbook.com. So anyway, this is my tag, and So Berry Sweet comes from the strawberry sentiments that I showed you. And see, this is the layering piece, the charcuterie board add-on. That is the pink gingham in the background. And then I cut another layering piece here, this dark pink color, and added an edge die that I had in my stash to make it look like a floor. And then I popped up the 3 pieces of ephemera on foam tape. The one with the basket, I used some thinner foam tape, and then the girl and the cat, I used some thicker foam tape so they come out a little bit further than this one. And then I used some Lawn Fawn clear glaze and some Nouveau, what is it called? Aqua Shimmer for the highlights on these 3 pieces here. Aren't they pretty? Oh, just love those. And then I used 3 enamel hearts from Hobby Lobby on the bow and the sentiment, and down here on the corner. Here's that bow from that Bunny Bows collection. I didn't use any of the layering pieces or anything. I just wanted a simple bow. And then here are the leaves from the Branches and Ornaments wreath set. I used 3 different pieces there and cut that out of some white paper just to add a little something in the background of the bow. And I just love how this came out. The charcuterie board I cut out of some like jade green paper, and I think it just ties everything together. And then the back I did add another piece of paper. That's from that scrapbook.com Berry Sweet collection, just to finish off the back. So let me measure, let's see, should I measure the add-on? I guess. It stops right here under the bow. So it is about 5 1/8 inches top to bottom, and then a little bit over 3 side to side. But the main tag itself is about 6 3/4 inches by 3 1/2 inches. So pretty, right? I love these colors, the pink and the hot pink and the jade green. I just think it came out so cute. So those are my projects for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment and I would definitely get back to you, answer any questions. Don't forget to check out these products on the website, and again, they'll all be linked below, as well as my referral code or link and my coupon code, Strawberry Cream. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'll be working on some more projects and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, I hope you guys have a great day. Take care, everyone. Bye.